Panama Petrochem Ltd, a petroleum specialities manufacturer. The company was established in the year 1982. They are based in Mumbai, with more than 135 employees and 100 workers. They have 4 manufacturing plants located in Ankleshwar, Daman, Taloja, and Dahej, with one additional offshore manufacturing plant in Ras Al Khaimah, UAE, with a total production capacity of 270,000 metric tons per annum. The market cap of the company is 2025 crore rupees, and currently trading at 335 rupees per share. The company has a 31% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 101% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company is almost 100% debt-free, which is a good sign. The 2 main products of the company are wax and pan oil. About 98% of the revenue is generated from pan oil, 2% from wax. The products of the company are used in diverse industry segments for various applications. About 24% of the revenue is generated from cosmetic and pharma, 21% from inks and resins, 19% from rubber, 19% from textiles, and 17% from others. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. The company is giving good dividends every year. The last dividend of 3 rupees per share was paid in November 2023. There is a small drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see a good portion of foreign investments in the company. As of now, there are no domestic investments. Public holding is dropping, indicating that foreign investors are buying from the public, which is a positive sign. Some clients of the company are Huber Group India Private Limited, Indian Oil, Daman, ATC Tires, and more. Company have good clientele from both domestic and international market. Coming to some key highlights. In 2024, company secured an order from Indian Oil worth rupees 22 crores and 30 lakhs. Company manufactures 80 variants of petroleum specialty products. They have one offshore manufacturing plant in Ras Al Khaimah, UAE, with production capacity of 30,000 metric tons per annum, to cater clients in GCC and Middle East and North Africa regions. The total production capacity of the company is 270,000 metric tons per annum. There are plans to add an additional 30,000 metric tons per annum in the coming years. Company is focused on increasing its exports to USA, Africa, Europe and Asia. Currently, they export to more than 75 countries, with a revenue concentration of 33% from exports and 67% from domestic. This has been a quick analysis of Panama Petrochem Ltd. Check out our other videos and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.